Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to see how to activate Power BI Pro license. Many people ask me about Power BI administration part and what exactly they do and what are their roles and all. I will tell you all these things in next sessions. So this part especially like activating licenses and all, even though you're Power BI admin in your company, you may not do all these things because in a company there can be multiple administrators like a global admin or SharePoint admin or Power BI admin or even more. We have different roles in admin center. So recently my Power BI Pro license got expired. Before I activate that license, I just want to show you the process. Maybe if you're going for the role of Power BI administrator, this could be helpful for you. So if you click on this profile icon, it is showing free account. It is asking me to upgrade the account because it is not Power BI Pro. So in this situation, even if you try to enter to any workspace, it will not allow because you are a free user. And not only that, if someone shared reports to you, and if you try to access those reports, even you cannot see those reports unless the report is from Premium Workspace. So now what we can do is we can go to the admin center. So this is the admin center. So if you click on the name, and here we can see the different roles available for the person. I can show you the roles because currently I am the global admin because it is my tenant and I am the owner of the tenant. That is why I am the global admin. So usually global admin is the highest privilege. If someone has global admin access, he can do whatever he want in this admin center because he can control everything if someone has that access. So here we can see there are multiple roles: exchange admin, global reader, and there are many roles here. And we have different categories as well, like groups admin, network admin, and Power BI admin as well. So if you are going for a role of Power BI admin, once you join the company, your global admin has to provide this role for you. Then only you can able to access Power BI admin part, which is admin portal, I can say. So once this is enabled for a user, then only they can able to access Power BI admin portal. Because I'm the global admin, I can able to access this admin portal. If you go to the settings section, we have something called admin portal. So most of the times you will not able to access this one because you are not admin. Only admins only can able to access. Admin means either can be a global admin or you should be having a role of Power BI admin. Then only you can able to access this admin portal. So like this, global admin can provide you access once you are going to be part of Power BI administrator group. There can be two different ways. Either they can give you access directly, or they will have one user group which is already with Power BI admin role. Maybe you will be added to that group. So anything may happen. So we have to go to purchase products or purchase services here in the billing center. So here we can search for Power BI. Now we can see there are 7 different licenses available in the Power BI section. So click on this show all. We can see premium, everything we can purchase from here itself because that is the only place where we can purchase all these things. It can be a Power BI Pro license or premium, whatever it is. So click on this Power BI Pro. It is 660 rupees in Indian rupees per month without taxes. With the taxes, it will be like 700 rupees or something per month. So click on buy. So we have two different plans. One is monthly, other one is pay full year. So uncheck this one because I'm going to purchase only one license and check out now. So here this is a form where we can see the billing details like my name, my address, and mobile number and everything because this will generate the invoice for this purchase. So by default, I filled already before. I should enable this place order. Maybe there is something missing fields here. So I'll fill those fields and I can place order now. Just give me a moment. Now we can see I have a place order enabled. So click on the place order. So now the thing is once we purchase the license, we have to assign the license to a user. So you can see here, if you are ready, assign users to your new subscription. So what we can do is we can directly click on this assign users, or we can go back to the admin center. I mean the home page. So once you are in the home page of admin center, you can click on active users and you can search for the user to whom you would like to assign the license. Then you can click on these 3 dots, this ellipsis, and you can see manage product licenses. So here we can see what are the licenses assigned to this user. And you can see Power BI Pro license, one of one is available because we have only one license so far. And I'm assigning that to myself, to my user account. Click on this and save changes. Now I'm a pro user. Now if I go back to Power BI service, if I go and refresh this page, click on workspaces and let me try to access a workspace, which is app workspace. Let me try to go to this workspace. Now see, I can able to access workspace because I'm a pro user now. So even if you click on this one, we can see there is pro account is mentioned here because we have purchased license already. That's all for now, guys. I hope this is helpful for few people who are going to Power BI administrator role. So we can see many more things in future. Please subscribe and share with your friends, and please like the videos, and see you next session. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.